We have another example on the board. Now, you're supposed to realize that we're supposed to start first with this formula, okay, for the derivative of a sum. So we have dy over dx is equal the derivative, of course, respect to x, of 2x minus 1/4 plus 4x 3/4. Okay, I can rewrite this as the derivative of 2x to power negative 1/4 plus the derivative dx of 4x 3/4. Okay, next we are going to use this formula for the derivative of a constant times a power of x. So this is equal my constant 2 times my exponent negative 1/4 x negative 1/4 minus 1. Keep in mind that we are dealing with fraction, that's why you're supposed to write over here fraction. The common denominator is always the denominator from your original fraction, from your exponent. And in order to make it 1, you're supposed to make sure that the same number which you are going to write in the denominator has to be in the numerator. So n minus 1 plus 4 times 3/4 x, and I have 3/4 minus 1, so my denominator is 4, so I have 4. So what I have, 2 and 4, they're going to reduce each other, and I'm going to end up with negative 1/2 x, okay? Negative 1/4 minus 4/4 is equal negative 5/4. 4 and 4 will cancel out each other, and I'm going to have plus 3x negative 1/4. Okay, this could be your answer, or you can write it as negative 1/2x 5/4 plus 3/x to power 1/4. Or we can say this is equal negative 1/2 4th root of x to the 5th power plus 3/4th root of x. Okay, either answer is correct. So we can say that the problem is solved.